That is it, my father. Retain a youth, one thing I give you props to the dog. You're always supportive, bro, no matter what. You see me? I want you to take over TikTok, you see me? Man, I want you to focus over them and just do the right thing. You see me? In the future now, or even now, you can just take your time, build out a little course, you see me? You man, can take a little time, build a course, dog, and do the right thing, you see me? And you can use AI, bro. So you see, like, for all that information you want, you can use AI and create it. You see me? You can create it in a PDF form, up goes. You can create it in a PDF form, you see me, dog? And just do your right thing, bro. You see me? In a real life, man. Forage. Alright, so we can go back, create a low high. So on the 4 hour. If I look on the 4 hour, yes, you know, we're still overall bullish, right? If I think about it like that, but then if I look on that, you can see, so we come and break this low here to the downside. So we can say we create a lower high here. This we can say we create a lower high. So on the 4-8, so we break this low, pull back, come create a lower high. But for the lower higher confirm, we need to break this low. So if this low get broken here, then this would have confirmed as a lower high. Because we would break this to create a lower low. You see me? So if we create that now, a lower low here, if we break this low and create a lower low, we could have look for price come back, come trade back up into this 4-hour demand for take price lower. If we create a next lower high, then break that low and create a next lower low. You see me? So that's a good little thing there. Remove drawing, drop down to the 1 hour. Drop down to the 1 hour. Here, so we definitely start farm structure to the downside on the lower time frame. But also have to bear in mind, say, we create a resistance here, we actually fail to break on the 1 hour time frame. Same way. We can totally create a lower high here. Never break this low create this high, not this low. Because this was a pullback within this. So this low create this high. This pullback here was just a pullback within this here. So you have this high, you have this low. So this is just a pullback within the pullback, if you understand. So this would be a lower high here. So you need price to break this low for confirm the downtrend, which would be a lower low. You see me? So this in here is just nice. So people that say this here and things say is a break to the downside. No, you have to break this low here for confirm. You see me? So we have to bear in mind, say we have a resistance here, or fail for break. So if price break this resistance here, which would have break this low, so we would have break this low to create a lower low. Likewise, we break the resistance, so we would look for a retest into a demand zone to take price lower. You see me? Which would have bring me down in the 4-hour demand we talked about from last week, which would have be this demand zone here. You see me? Go back on the 1 hour. Definitely. So this could have be a potential target to this zone here. If we break this low here. So I'm going to mark out the low, the mark out, the mark out. But if we start break back structure, like if we break this recent high here, it's a possibility we might come back and retest this high. So if price come and break back this high here, I'm going to look for a buy opportunity for a retest back. Some buy opportunity here for retest this high. I'm going to show you we have more than one scenario there. So if we break this structure back to the upside, we can look so we'll come back and retest this high. If we break this low here, We should have give you a lower low. We are looking for a pullback to create a lower high in some form of demand supply zone. We take price lower for come top in a overall 4-hour demand zone. So I'm going to show you, we have more than 2 scenarios there. Drop down to 15 minutes now. And then so we have more than 1 scenarios. We can look for, a buy scenario and we can look on a sell scenario. You see me? But a real talk crabs man, you have to take things serious, bro. You see me and just know say yo. Nobody can say nothing, bro. Cause you do your thing, bro, live on the TikTok, you see me, dog. So you have to just do the right thing, dog. You have to maximize your profit, see me. Cause pre this, bro, if you start make an income of quote unquote say, courses, it ease the pressure for you when you trade live because you're not gonna run down profits. You see me? You're not gonna run down profits, bro. What do you do for yourself, open? GJ, I think. I'm not sure. Let's see if we can. The GJ that go on. Not look on GJ yet. No. That is it, body Indian. What kind of sucker saw this? If I load up GJ, so a 15-minute break of structure to the upside, but we still not carry that. Still not carry that in. So I'm honestly really interested in sales until price break this low down here, to be honest. I think this was the 1 hour lower market. So more surprise tell me say yo it won't continue lower. Yeah bro, do it man, you see me? Do it man. If you know in a New York session and you jump on the TikTok bro and start up the live bro. Do the right thing. So I'm interested in a buy still price break this low, to be honest. This was the 1 hour low I think, yeah. I'm not interested till price. Price have to tell me say it won't continue lower because as we look to the left, this is a resistance here also. You see me? What if I might think they alone do that at times where it just blink out and blink in like it. And this is the 1 hour low. So I want to price break the low here before I take any form of buys. So if you tell me say it won't continue lower. You understand? Yeah, so if price break this low, then we look for some form of supply zone to take price lower. As me I explained on the higher time frame just now. Tough man, just time, bro. Yeah, that is it, bro. That is it. You know, when I not utilize enough on this, I feel like I'm going to start utilize it. I think layout setup for this. So I told me, I have to have the premium. Damn. I forget about the premium, guys. Why I want to split my screen in two? Yeah, I start split my screen in two. Just to see where the higher time frame are going with. Because this is still up on the 1H. So this was the 1H resistance level that I talked about. We want the price break first before we continue looking for sells. Yeah, it's definitely it. That is it, my father, man. Just set up a thing the real way, bro. You see me? So right now we have to just wait for see what price I go do. You see me? There's nothing to do here as yet. Prices are bouncing in this area here from last night. So you want the price, tell you which direction to go. You understand? So if price should break above this high here, we can look for some form of demand setup for come retest back the 1 hour highs. If price break below this low here, as we explained on the 4 hour time frame, we create a lower high. So if price break this low, we're going to confirm, so we're going to continue downtrend, so we're going to create a lower low. Then while price retrace back in our supply zone to create a lower high, then that's how we're going to look for a setup for take it, for break the previous low, for create a new lower low. So now, until price come out of the little box and with a bounce sideways, it don't make no sense, bro. Okay, you know what it is, we push and we come right back within this area again. So taking some form of setup within this consolidation zone here, we don't know where price are going. You see me? We just know so we have a market structure shift on the higher time frame, but we need to confirm this by creating a lower low on the higher time frame. So we have to just wait. Make price choose the direction where it want to go, then we just capitalize on that. You see me? So it makes sense to chase the trade. You see me? Can give a big 4H candle as preview. 4H candle. Alright, so this is the concept. You notice we even have a 4 hour resistance. So I say, because we break this low, alright, so I could just do it again. So this low here, right, created this high. So the moment to break this low, the moment to come and break this low here, we can say we have a shift in market structure. We can all agree upon that, right? So when price break this low here, it come back up to create a lower high here. Right? So now we create a lower high. We know if we follow structure, we should create a lower low. But we can't say we're going to create a lower low because price never break this low. So until price break this low here, we confirm the lower low. So now we could have mark out, say, just to say, for sake, this supply zone here, just to say, if price break this low, we could have marked out the supply zone, we create the breaker structure to the downside for price come tap back into it, we should have create back a lower high as long as it respect this high here. Then we'd have take it from there if we create a lower low. So we are going, that's why we always try to take our trade in the retracement to catch an impulsive move. You understand? I see everybody I use an indicator then, bro. I'm not a fan of indicator overall, to be honest. HTF. I did not show up on man. Yeah, I'm not really follow it. I just read price action on candles, bro, like literally, isn't it? So that's a concept, bro. Cause I remember, as I telling you from last week, so I think price will come tap back into this supply zone here. So this can be an initial target, but because break structure to the downside, price come back, create a lower high. We need this low to get broken to create a lower low. You understand? So when price retrace to come create back another lower high, we can take it from a supply zone with the intention that price will come break the recent low to create a lower low, which we could have target this 4H here. You understand? So now prices have consolidated here. So if price wants to come back for retest this high up here, we need it to break this high here on the 15-minute time frame. So if price should break above this high here, we can look for a demand zone when price reaches to take it from retest, because this is the 1 hour high. At the 4H high, I think the 4H high here. So it's simple, bro. You just have to wait, because price just about jump in this box. Price break out and come right back into this consolidation area and just move sideways. So we now have a clear direction here. If price want to continue the downtrend, or if we come back for retest the recent highs. So we can't really pick a direction from gold until gold pick the direction. Remember, we not guess, we just react. So we not guess where price are go. We make price tell where it's going, then react to it. You understand? So that I base. We have to do, so, as I said, the hardest part of trading, bro, I have to wait. You see me? The hardest part of trading, I have to wait. If you can master sitting on the chart and wait for your setup to come to you, 9 out of 10 times, you have to bank it, bro. You see me? We just have to wait. We just have to wait. You see me? So that is it. We just have to wait, bro. Make price tell you which direction it won't go. You understand? And this look like a strong resistance level also. So it makes sense here. It makes sense where I guess the price of a continue low. Make it break the low and confirm the lower low. You understand? So watch out. More and go lower. So we have to just wait, you see me? We just gotta wait, man. Man, bro, we're a trader, we're not a gambler. So we can't guess and spell. I have the 4-year chart here. Yeah, that is it, buddy, in there. I just have to wait, bro. No rush, you see me? Can't rush for losing money. I have to make money. Let's go grab a Lucas Z and forward. When them a go do ya now? Oh no, we after than World Cup. When them a go do ya now? Right now, I'm even find a Lucas here. I'm gonna show you how I go on for tea this morning. I find no Lucas here. Lucas here done. I forgot touching on Spain to go get some stuff, but that I go on. I tea this morning. You see me? Them drink NSF for tea, but I'm not upon that. Trouble, my father. Trouble. We just have to do the right thing, bro. We just have to do the right thing, bro. Why look like my screen freeze? What the fuck is going on here this morning? Like me a drink and a computer junk. A prank, dog. Me a drink with the computer junk, brother. Damn, look on the volume. Damn, look at that volume. I need to close this, fuck. Let me see. You don't realize. Think I'd become an iTunes opening, you know. Oh, it's a countdown now. Alright. Yeah, the time on this side I count down properly, so that's good. I think. Alright, yeah. Seems like we're back in business. Put back this fucking in the fridge, because I'm not really drink kind of the. Bring town go up the road. So you see me share that price now and break above. So it's like suppose we did enter a buy within the consolidation zone. So you see what happen? So you see that price would have still have try fight for break out of the zone. While you would have stuck within that zone. So I'm hanging in the dog. Really and truly. I don't know if I'm me. Let me check watch it. The time on this side I count down. But why it look like me can get delay? I joke badness this morning. Refresh the app itself. Okay, I suck a start this Monday morning. Vibes cartels 2024 is refreshing. Joke thing, brother. Hold on, yeah. See what this is. Trading fair fruit themselves. Yeah, so this morning. Unfair edit my team. Shot and shot. Seems so. It seems so, daddy. It seems so brave. I don't know. On the trading view now, so maybe we start trade from my desktop in terms of the only difference is that Alpha them not give me the option for log in and trade from the desktop. Even though I never tried it and I never search for ACG group on the MT5 app on the desktop. Something I might start doing. Then I could have seen my execution them live on the chart. So make them go and figure around and them find out which God them serve. Or we're gonna break that Iowa. Yup, shaky dog. Not real life. It's shaky. That's a mess with my mental now, man, bro. I know how it's. What's messy this? The plan really next but right now my pre 400 capital. Yeah, that I think them payout and them cheaper than FTMO, you see me? And them always have promo sometime where you can get 15 or 20% off, you see me? So that's why I work with Alpha. As I said, them payout, you see me? Them do payouts. So at the end of the day, I best way to go, bro. You see me? You have to just stick with them until something bad happen, then you can fool you in another prop firm. But until then, bro, a solid firm for now. You see me? Them literally the top two, them on FTMO. Where Forex is concerned for futures, them say a top step. I never really. Me that try top step when them say available in my region. So I don't know if I have to go match up a thing and use a VPN and try it. Because I say me that trade gold futures on top step. You see me? Joke thing, dog. We'll end this, dog. For end this and so I go on first, you see me? I see you live over TikTok and go support them. Come in now, I go on the joke thing. Joke thing. Probably for us reboot the whole system. Or probably true. I have it around all night last night because I have it on trading view all night last night. You know? So it probably all hot, you know. I don't know, man. Alright, my father. I'm so far.